and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, northeastern Troup County in west central Georgia, southeastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grantville, Oregon, 12 miles southwest of Newnan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Peachtree City, Sonoy, Hugginsville, Grantville, Loversville, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, Lone Oak, East Newnan, Corinth, and Thomas Crossroads. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.